I can't believe that this really happened. But welcome to our first sponsored video. No, this is not a joke. This is not a joke. This is a sponsored video.
We are really sponsored.
And I will show you proof. Here is Winston from iMyPhone. I never heard of this company. And he wants us to test out our Mac-based... Oh no, their Mac-based iPhone file transfer application. So we went on their website and we found out that they have this program.
Yes. Look at the TunesMate.
That can't be a coincidence, man.
No, it can't, mate. We downloaded the apps.
We downloaded it. We got them here on our Hackintosh. So yeah, this is a Mac. Just think it is one.
It is.
And we have here this iPhone. And it doesn't have a working touch screen, but there shouldn't be a problem because we have what do we have? The TunesMate. So
and with the TunesMate we can transfer videos, photos, apps. What? We can.
App manager?
Yes, and music.
So we'll continue our trial.
We'll see how it works.
Oh, it doesn't have a battery.
Yeah.
Wait, no.
Great video.
We will charge this up until it boots and then we'll continue. Here is the TunesMate.
Yes, the TunesMate.
Very great. Now we hook up the iPhone.
It should just work. Yes, it
it's
does.
Initializing.
Yeah, well, iTunes opens up.
iTunes.
Initializing.
Initializen.
Yes.
There it is.
The iPhone.
It's a white iPhone, so yep. But anyway,
we won't comment.
So what can we do here? We can go to details.
Oh, cool.
It shows all sorts of information, that it's an iPhone 4,1 and what else? CPU architecture even. And it's good for us geeks.
Yeah. Hey, jailbreak also lists if it's
jailbreak false, but that's wrong. It is actually jailbroken. But that's not really so. It's activated. Hey, that's also good to know. Yeah. That's pretty handy. Alright, so battery is charging, battery 0.
Oh yeah, by the way, we haven't yet really deeply looked at the program, if we haven't said that yet. We
didn't say that.
Because we thought if the program is really good, you should just... It should just work.
So what can we do here? We chose the phone storage.
Go on apps. I would be interested how it shows up. Can it like really display the? Oh wait, do we even have?
Oh, we would need apps for that.
Okay, well.
All right, photos.
Do we have photos?
We would need photos for that. All right, transfer iDevice media to iTunes or transfer iTunes media to.
We don't have
iDevice.
iTunes media, so.
Well, we have mate.
Yes, we have some music. We're prepared for this.
Yes, so
here's
I will just import all of this into iTunes.
Yes.
So I think we just have to open it, right?
Probably, yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Good. And now?
Yeah. Now let's see how this works. Yeah, like this and all right.
Our library.
And now just transfer. That's it. Oh, okay. We can't do that because of the trial.
Continue the trial. Well, it will at least transfer some stuff.
So we'll see if it. Oh, well, yeah. Now it stops at 5 probably. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. All right.
That one easy.
Can't we now say play music?
We have to be German now, by the way. Does it work?
Lieder.
Spiele Musik. Yeah, works, yeah. Yeah?
Yep.
Look, it worked.
There we go.
Good.
Hold it in the camera.
Oh, we can't believe
us.
It's the iPhone. So this actually works.
Now say next. Nächster Titel.
Nächster Titel. Yeah, perfect.
Alright.
How do we stop it now?
Stopp. Musik stopp.
Ich stoppe die Musik. Alright.
Right.
If you, by the way, for the viewers that don't know, we have to use voice because this is the iPhone we tried to repair and broke the touchscreen. So yeah.
Yeah, but as you see,
really well actually.
so the TunesMate has done a great job.
That was actually really good, yeah.
So now I think it should load it here.
Yes, perfect.
There is everything.
Well, that's really good.
Great.
What is fix? What does fix mean?
Fix.
Oh!
Oh, you can even read.
Can you even put like artwork? No, okay.
Ah, no, wait. Can we write here like a cool song? Whatever.
Cool song, yeah. Right.
And now we say play core song, and it should do it, right?
Yeah. Should. If it, I mean, hopefully the trial allows this.
Yeah, it's still safe.
Because we're working with the trial here.
Yeah, we don't have the key, so.
Yeah.
If he still gives us the key after this,
Well, then you're a really good mate.
you're a great mate. Yeah. I think it's,
Yeah. We were really surprised someone would give us the chance after all of this.
This is insane.
Yeah, okay, well.
It's still safe.
Yeah, so this is bugging, or it doesn't work in the trial, we don't know, but...
Spiele core song.
Okay, no, then this is bugging, yeah.
But anyway, yeah.
Or again,
The TunesMate did a job great.
Yeah, takes some time, obviously.
Yep. It's running iOS 7
And
also.
oh, it's in the hello screen. Let's see if this actually works when it's locked. That's the thing. Yeah, it works.
Locked. So it's running iOS 7. Yep. So let's go into detail and see. Yep.
Yeah.
But it shouldn't be activated.
Yeah.
Yep. No jailbreak false. It's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, it's set deactivated somewhere.
Unactivated.
Unactivated, yeah.
Okay. So this has, I think, music on it.
It loads longer, so there must be
Yeah.
something. You can access that even if it's unactivated.
Yeah, that's interesting, right?
No, okay. Well, oh well, but it shows like the playlists. When there's nothing in there, but it shows the playlist.
Okay, that's weird.
Yeah, probably because the iPhone is forbidding it.
Probably. Alright, so what should we try? We already backed up, that's not so.
Yeah.
Export from device.
Well, we didn't back up this one though. Maybe Dan can get something. It's interesting.
So we'll back up this one.
Can it actually do that?
So what do they also
Yeah,
show
let's
you?
show this in the meantime.
Yeah.
The UMate Pro. What is
UMate
the,
free. Let's go to UMate
Yeah.
free.
We're gonna look at that too.
iPhone WhatsApp recovery. Okay.
That's cool.
The
The
UMate.
UMate. I think that's why they took our channel, because they also like mate.
It's probably the only reason why they found our channel, because it's made.
Why don't you just like call it UM8? It's perfect.
That would have been way, way better.
There it is, the UMate.
Yeah, I'll do that mate later,
afterwards,
mate.
yeah.
So mate, now we wanted to show if it recognizes that, and it does. It's an iPhone X.
An iPhone X.
12.1, the very latest version.
No, all my data.
No, it's activated.
Oh, really? Okay, this is now we can really, because there is some music on there.
There is some music.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, it's loading longer.
Yeah, I understand that. It's probably about 5 gigabytes.
There it is. Yep.
Yeah, it works.
We have everything here. So what could we do if we check this, for example? What could we do? Export it? Export to Mac?
Really? Okay, yeah. Yeah, we can do that.
So you could if you had the...
Yeah.
Okay.
Go on the apps. Now we can look at
Apps.
the apps.
Now we can look at apps. Because you have a lot of apps, right?
Quite some, yeah.
Yeah, so 5% loaded.
Why didn't we do this in the first place?
I don't know, because of privacy.
Yeah, I mean, I don't... Yeah.
There it is. So if we would take Outlook, we could uninstall.
No, don't! Oh my data.
So we could do this from here.
That's nice.
Alright, so...
Yeah, it actually works.
It works, yeah.
And let's go on videos.
Videos.
Photos not, that's too private. But videos is fine.
Yeah, videos is probably because you don't have so many videos on here.
No, you underestimate me.
Really?
There
So
are a
many?
lot because I don't... Oh.
Well, there are not so many.
Or, no, wait.
Is it in cloud?
It means movies. It's
in the movies app.
So
Okay,
no, I don't have any there. And it's probably in photos, yeah.
Oh well, that worked pretty
Yeah,
good.
so that worked, so...
So now we can even try the iDevice to media to
Yeah, when click on it, what does it do?
connect.
No, you don't want that. It will copy.
What did I now do?
It's copying everything to your Mac now, mate.
Alright,
No, okay,
4.3 gigs. No,
Yeah.
no.
No.
You have audiobooks?
No.
Oh, it scanned everything. Okay,
Yeah.
so if we had stuff here, it would show. Okay.
No playlists? What?
Uh,
I mean, I don't know what it means with playlists, so. Because music is playlists. So.
well, the music is.
Yeah, but it would work.
Alright,
it
so
would work.
but we're not gonna transfer 4.3
No,
gigabytes.
well, no. But yeah, it works.
Yeah, so
Guys,
what can we say? I mean, this is a transfer tool, and
face it. Summary time, what do you say, man?
well,
It's
works.
useful, it works. I mean, how much do you have to pay? This would be interesting.
Oh, yeah.
If you notice.
Oh shit. Well, that's a lot, mate.
I have to say, I mean, I get it's a good program, don't get me wrong.
Yeah, I wouldn't buy it though.
Yeah.
Because I don't have the need. You know, if I would be a repair shop or anything, then
Yeah.
it was a different story. But for home use,
Yeah. Okay, so the summary here, or
Yeah,
conclusion.
the products are good. They're
Yes.
intuitive. It works on a variety of phones. We
Yes,
tested
yes.
some phones in
From
the
really
firmware,
old to
so
really new.
we used iOS 6, 7, and 12.
Yes.
So that all works great.
Yeah. And what do you want to say? Yeah. But the only problem is for this price, not for personal, but for business use. I would
Yes,
say.
if you would be a company or a shop, you know,
This would make sense.
Yeah.
Or if you're a family, then it's fine.
yeah, if you really need it though.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
I don't feel the need for it.
No, yeah.
So yeah, I mean, we are honest, you know, this is
Yeah,
our
we're
style.
honest, so yeah.
So yeah, thank you for your
Yes, thank you for the
for
sponsor.
the request. That's incredible.
Yeah, if you still like us, contact us. No, I'm joking. If you want, you can.
I mean, he said he will reward us with a free license key.
We're waiting.
I mean, that's a lot of money.
And yeah, I mean,
It
it's
really
great.
is.
So we would appreciate that.
Yeah, even if
Mate, I
not.
just realized we're really begging now at this point.
Well, no, actually, I mean, if he doesn't do it, which is very likely, after this shitty video, then it's fine, you know.
But what did you expect, though?
don't know.
I mean, haven't you seen our videos?
I
mate?
think you just listened to one of our videos where we say a lot of mate, and then, you know.
It was like, hey, you mate. Hey, you mate. No. Alright.
Oh, we didn't even test the you mate.
Oh, whoops, the you mate. Sorry, see.
But that isn't the one he wanted us anyway. This is a bonus.
Bonus.
Oh shit! I have to close the opera here. You know why?
Oh, yeah.
What can we do here? That's another thing.
Erase all data, erase deleted file. Okay, this is like a erase program.
Alright, this is for
So-
you, mate.
So essentially, if you like want to sell an iPhone, probably, and you can delete everything from it.
Yeah, that is pretty
Yeah,
good.
that's a nice program. So yeah, guys.
Okay, so this is our review.
Review, yes.
And the dynamic wallpaper doesn't work.
We hope you enjoyed it. And to Winston, I hope you enjoyed this.
I really hope you did, yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, see you later, mate.
See you late.
See you late.